Hi, beautiful. I am Coach Malaika. Have you ever felt like you are doing everything right? Eating the right salad, drinking the water, but you still waking up with a flat stomach and end up the day looking 6 months pregnant? Okay, how that happen? It's frustrating, I get it. It's uncomfortable, oh yes. And for many of us, in the menopause transition, it feels like an uphill battle. Trust me. Today, I am letting you on a secret. It's not just about what you eat, it's about how your body cleans up afterward. I am talking about your gut internal night shift, the Migrating Motor Complex, or the MMC. See, think of the MMC as your gut cleaning crew. Its job is to create an electrical wave that sweeps undigested food and bacteria out of the small intestine into the colon. See, when this screw is working, your stomach stays flat and your digestion stays moving. But here's the problem. This cleaning crew only clock in when you are not eating. So every time you take a bite on a snack or even a sip of juice, you send that cleaning crew home on break. If you are a grazer, that means you eat all day. Your cleaning crew never get to finish the job. The result, food sit in your stomach, fermented, and create that painful, stubborn blow. See, now, for you guys, my ladies, over 40 or 35 and up, that's an extra layer of hormonal shit that can actually make the MMC sluggish. Combine that with stress of the menopause transition, and your cleaning crews is not just on break, they are practically gone on strike. We don't want that, isn't it? I learned this, ladies, the hard way through my own journey with hypothyroidism, H. pylori, and menopause issues. I realized that until I fixed the sweep, I couldn't fix the blow. This February, we are taking our power back. That's what I want to say. Hit that subscribing button, ladies, right now, because in our next video, I am going to show you exactly what triggered this right and how to get your mobility moving again. I will see you in the next video, beautiful. Again, this is Coach Malaika, and I see you soon. Ciao for now.